Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make Tibetan food Bagtsa Marku. Bagtsa Marku means Bagtsa is kind of small pieces of pasta, and Marku means melted butter. Butter, whatever butter you like, you can melt it and then you can mix it with the pasta. So it's a very easy and very delicious, and also very so it's a heavy and nomadic food. So one can know how it started from nomadic life to general life. All Tibetan like this Bagtsa Marku. So then you have to make a dough out of white wheat flour or brown wheat flour, whatever you like. You can also mix it together. When the dough is ready, you have to put it into one bowl and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes let it become soft. After 10 or 15 minutes, you have to take it out. Then you have to form it into a long snake-shaped dough. You have to make it really, not so, let's say, thick or not so thin, but a very well-sized shape. Either you can use your hands to cut it, as you can see now, one by one, or you can cut it by the knife. With the hand, it's a bit delicious than cutting by knife, as we think. If you don't have much time, then better use the knife and cut it into pieces. It is faster. When you are ready with the small pieces of pasta, you have to put it into the boiling water and let it cook well for a few minutes, or until it really completely well cooked. As you can see now, you can know by seeing or watching. When you stir it well into the boiling water, when it's cooked, it comes up on the surface level. That means it's getting ready, or it's cooked, as you can see now. This food is appropriate for winter. In winter time you can have it. In summertime it's quite heavy. The other ingredients you have to add with it are butter, raw sugar, yogurt, and powdered cheese. The pasta is ready or cooked. Now you have to sip it out from the boiling water into one new bowl, as you can see now, and let it become dry, or let's say you have to watch it becomes sticky or not, in order to let it become soft and pasta well. You have to mix butter. You have to put butter and wait. Yes. The first thing is to put butter. You have to mix it well with the pasta, as you can see now, so that it doesn't stick each other. The pieces will remain separately. The second ingredient is raw sugar. As you can see, you have to add it and mix it well. Sometime, if you like, you can also add sugar. Some prefer sugar more than raw sugar. The third ingredient is yogurt. Yogurt, you can put it now or you can put it later, whatever you like. This time we are putting it now and mix it. You have to mix it. Some people prefer to put it later on top of the pasta. The fourth ingredient is powder cheese. You can get it in a supermarket, fromage, or you can call it fromage or parmesan or whatever you like. So you have to put it on top of that and you have to mix it. Or you can put it later when you are going to eat it. You don't have to put it now. Now it's time to mix it all together well. You have to mix it until it really mixed all the ingredients well. It becomes nice and delicious. Now it's ready to serve, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you like this video, you can comment, you can also like it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.